Welcome back. Getting in breaking inputs. In fact, what we are learning is that actor Rana Daggubati has appeared before the SIT CID for questioning in connection with the promoting betting apps case. It's been reported that CID is questioning Rana about the remuneration he received through one of the promotional activities of this app. Rana has promoted a betting and gaming app back in the year 2017. Remember, he's been questioned with regards to this illegal betting app scam for quite some time now. Rana has also given a statement to the CID claiming he promoted only a skill-based gaming app. That's the input we are bringing to you. Aneri Shah joins me with more. So, Aneri, what has been the line of investigation? Also, the claim coming in from Rana.
Well, that's right, Akansha. What we are seeing is that right now, the Tollywood actor Rana Daggubati was questioned by the SIT-CID, which has been formed by the Telangana state government in regard with the promotion of these betting apps, which is illegal in the state of Telangana. And also at the same time, earlier today, it was Rana Daggubati who had appeared before the officials. And just 2 days back, we had seen Prakash Raj and also Vijay Devarkonda, who had appeared before the officials for questioning in connection with the promotion of these betting apps case, which has been going on for quite a long time. Earlier also they were summoned and they were questioned by the officials, and now Rana Daggubati is being questioned in regard with the remunerations which he had received back then in 2017. He had promoted, but then he also stated that now he doesn't endorse any of these betting apps, and also at the same time the officials have been looking into the bank account details and other details as to what led to the promotion of these betting apps by these Tollywood actors, because many of the people, common citizens, have been falling a prey or as victims, many of them have been losing a lot of huge amount of money, and following which we saw that how there was a case which was registered, and now the state government has also formed an SIT, and now SIT CID has been investigating this matter. Today it's Rana Daggubati who has been questioned by the officials, and now earlier also we had seen Prakash Raj and actor Vijay Devarkonda who had appeared before the officials for questioning, and we also are learning from our sources is that few other actors have also been summoned for questioning basically for the investigation over these promotion of betting apps. However, Rana Daggubati has stated that he doesn't endorse any of these betting apps.
Many thanks to you, Aneri, for bringing us all the latest information on that news story. With